So this I'm a little baby with a big ass head. The gender of my baby is
I gotta make it, I'm tired of waiting, I gotta take it, I gotta face it, I gotta chase it, I can just taste it, 'cause I've been down so long. I gotta.
Hey guys, what's poppin', what's not stop, welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all. Wrong hat. Oh, read, stop playing. Okay, alright. Nope, it's not gonna work. I look too crazy. So this is what gonna happen, okay? I look too crazy. This no better, but this kinda better. Anywho, before we jump into the video, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a positive comment down below. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers, so go ahead, smash the red subscribe button right over there, so and get me to 50,000 subscribers, guys. Share my video and all these things, and we can reach 50k subscriber. Look how long with it on YouTube, and I know we can reach 50k. What I do, what I weapon. Anyways, so in this little envelope, with my name on it and everything is the result of my baby. Guys, when I don't watch my face, when I see my face look bumpy and all these things, don't worry, something nice will come outside. So in this little white envelope are the results are my beautiful baby. So on this piece of paper telling you the gender, which me know say that someone will come here for. So oh my gosh, yeah guys, so this telling you the gender and all these things. But anyways, I'm not gonna open this yet. When I have to go watch a video, and then I'm gonna watch part in the video me telling the gender. So watch everything so you can know. It can be now, it can be next 5 minutes, next 10 minutes, next 20 minutes, next 40 minutes. Watch out everything if you know I know the gender. But anyways, I don't wanna see that something here. I wish we had to set. Wait, I'm look on it before me showing you know, because I don't want to know peep nothing and figure out the gender yet. So okay, no, so this I'm a little baby with a big ass head. My head big too, so you wanna expect. But yeah. Thumbnail. Anyway, so yeah guys, this I don't know if I can say good, but this I think them said this are the big head or something like that. I don't know. These are the heartbeats. I don't know what is this, but something that this and all these things. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 picture, and make a print them all nervous major foolish. May I go what them call it, put it in a little frame, something, and put it down so I can show the baby when the baby get older. Say this is what you did look like. Remember that piece of paper here with the gender on the soon know that. So what I'm gonna do now, answer on a question because someone asked me some questions. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer them questions there before me telling you who wanna come here for. So watch the video to the end and click the subscribe button right now. So let's answer some of the questions. I'm asking on my Instagram, so if I ask me some questions about the pregnancy and we answer what we can answer and all these things. So we just like to get right into that right now, okay? And it's a bag of questions and I gotta just answer what I can answer. So the first question is, somebody said, how much months pregnant are you? So if you know, watch my last video, in the last video I was I did at 22 weeks and 3 days, which that video was, when was that video? Monday? I think that was Monday. So Monday. So now I'm at 22 weeks and 5 days. So that would have mean I'm a second trimester, which would have been like I'm a 5th month. So if everybody will ask me I'm 5th month, I have baby April. Yeah, the baby due for born April 16th and I'm born on September 16th. Okay, like that is so freaking cute. So the baby due for born April 16th. Hopefully the baby come panda day there. So yeah, 5 months basically, and I can say in my 5th month. So the next question is, Are you planning on showing us your baby daddy? Why I don't want to see him? Why I don't want to see just most of the baby have a daddy? Why I don't want to see him? But maybe sometime in the future, if him decide to come on camera, I know we see him. So until then, nah. Somebody said, does the baby, may I read it exactly? I'm gonna see. Somebody said, does the baby start kicking yet? Yes, girl. Yes. So I did a light up on the bed. I'm gonna feel this thing I'm moving on. So I look down, I'm gonna say the little movement I go on and the little kicking I go on. I'm gonna say yeah. Yeah, so yeah, the baby I move. We just have to fly through the question then. Somebody say, where you going to name the baby? So that's the next thing. I'm asking up on my Instagram also for comment some name, boy and girl name. And then I'm gonna make a video about it, and if I see some name in the one I like, then I'm going to use one of that. If not, I'm going to stick to my original name I already have. So I have boy name and girl name. So yeah. Okay. Somebody say, how are you doing during your pregnancy? I feel normal, literally I feel normal, nothing different. Only thing is that like sometimes we did them, we just like feel like mega like blackout. Like this happened like 3 times. I just like mega blackout, and then like me start to like black, and then I can't hear nothing else. So I don't know what caused that, but that's how what happened lately. So anytime I feel like that now, I just like lie down a little bit and drink some water, and then the feeling we go away. So other than that, I'm good. As I said before, I don't have no morning sickness, nothing at all. I don't vomit, I don't have nothing. So I handle it well, I guess. Pretty good, doing good. So yeah. Somebody say, are you going to do a maternity shoot? I want to. I'm planning on doing that, so hopefully everything goes planned. But yeah, I definitely want to do that, and I hope I can get to do it. So yeah. Somebody said, do you get moody? For example, do you want to be around people? For example, you don't want to be around people you often used to. No, as I say, I'm not moody. I'm not nothing. Like, I just chill. Everything just chill. I'm not moody. I don't know, I just chill. I guess I don't know, I just chill. Don't think I do. I like get up at the time, do what I have to do, and then I just build for the rest of the day. I'm not moody or nothing. I just go and build, listen music, and chill and just wait for this baby for pop out. Like, okay, so somebody say, okay. I say, what are your cravings? To be honest, like as I said before, I don't really have no craving. Right now, only thing I really crave a bola. I know like the ginger bola them from Captains, because like you know the big thick bola them, so I don't like them there, so I don't eat them there. I don't like the small bola them, so the ginger bola them from Captains are them the I crave literally. Right now I have one over this up, and I just have when me did I eat. So yeah, so basically I just like a crave bola. And other than that, like if I see something, like I don't want it until I see it, or I don't want it until I see somebody with it. So that's, yeah, I just say I really have no craving for that, but yeah. Somebody say, are you nervous? Right now I'm not nervous. Right now I'm just a chill. What I'm nervous about I having baby, like because I watch some video like I've been watching some video like what them name labor and delivery video or something like that. Me have watched about this about my camera. So I've been watching some labor and delivery video, and like them I'm scared. Them I'm scared, like the way the woman them a push and a ball and a scream and them something there. Ooh child. I don't know that. Yeah, I'm nervous. I'm nervous about giving birth. That I'm nervous about. Okay. Somebody say, are you going to hide your baby like other YouTubers? Probably. As probably, and then probably not. I'm probably just showing because we've been on the journey, yeah? But I'm probably do that for true. Not saying me I follow them, but you know something I have to give the baby a chance to like grow into themselves. You understand what I mean? So and then as baby boy, I could just run go put them on camera, so and them somebody. So I'm probably hide the baby. So, what else wanna ask me? Let's see what else wanna ask me. Somebody say, are you going to vlog the birds? I don't know Jamaica stay already. I don't know Jamaica stay already, and everything gonna allow for video and something. The ultrasound video wanna say I sneak me did that I don't realize that the part there only I said the doctor and or the man a doctor but the man and I realize on all that's the part them that sneak video the part because me never allow for video. So me did a sneak video the part there. And then the partner wanna sit on the monitor. I asked him if I could have video it and he said wait there 1 minute and then like him do what him do and then him say alright me can video that little piece there and then after that him make me stop video. So what I probably do I probably like I had the camera when I time for have baby I had the camera and like try video it or something. If it happen it happen, if it don't happen then I just have to go tell you about the experience. Okay, so yes, so if I can video then we'll definitely get a video. So I said how does it feel to be a first time mom? Me don't know. I just don't know because I don't know but it's really just a live. But as I go through the day by day, I don't know how it feels. I just feel normal. Sometimes I just look at my belly and I'm like, oh, really? But you, but I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel, but I'm kind of like excited a bit. I'm kind of like excited because like sometimes when I go someplace and I see some baby things, I'm like, that's my little baby right there. I still going, but other than that, we just chill to be honest. I think everybody is more excited than me. Not saying I'm not happy if I have a little baby, but like, you know, I understand what I mean? Yeah. The baby have to grow up on me, which that happen. So somebody said not really a question, but you're always in my prayer. Oh, you're always in my prayers. I love you for you. I love you for you, our team, Shawna. Thank you. I love you too, girl. Thank you. I appreciate all of my supporters, them, my subscribers, them, my viewers, them, my fans, them. Everybody will support me. I appreciate it. So, thank you, guys. So, basically, yeah, I just basically I wrap up that video, yeah. I mean, I'm more question than that, but like, I don't need to know all of that as yet. So, if you enjoy this video guys, oh shit, the gender, forgot to add it to come here for you know the gender of the baby. Okay, so if I would do that, if you like the video, give it that big thumbs up, comment down below, and whew, okay, so alright, so everybody knows I'm a been want a girl. Okay, everybody knows I'm a been want a girl. I'm always just if I'm pregnant it's a girl more girl, and if I get a boy I get turn the boy and a girl, which that is not possible. If I get a baby boy then I feel of the baby boy, as well as if I get a girl then I feel of the girl. So with that being said, the gender of my baby is
I'm trying not to. Oh no. Don't say that. I'm not gonna do it.
I love y'all. Oh my god, just know some yeah. It's a beautiful baby, I think. Well, me not ugly still. I think I'm not ugly, so the gender of my baby is a beautiful baby. I joke, me soon tell her now. I soon tell her now. But I start make it like soak him first. I soon tell her now.